were listening to the music of American composer Daniel Gorth, and that was his composition, Meditation at Portioning Creek, which is a 37.7-mile long tributary of the Schuylkill River in Brooks, Lehigh, and Montgomery counties in Pennsylvania. The work composed in 2021 was just performed by harpist Yolanda Condenaz's music of Daniel Gorth. Well, this is indeed the WPRB Spring Membership Drive, which will last through April 26th. You can make a one-time pledge or a recurring monthly donation. If you enjoyed being exposed to music you don't hear anywhere else, WPRB is your place to be. We are a non-profit, community-supported, independent radio and need listener support to stay around. If you are a composer whose music has been aired on Classical Discoveries, please consider supporting WPRB. All of the DJs on this station are volunteers. We are all here because we love sharing musical selections that you don't hear anywhere else. Please support WPRB by going to pledge.wprb.com.